So Outlier is one of the best website where you can make anywhere between $100 to $10,000 within a month. So your work is to shape the next generation of AI with your expertise. And they have over 40,000 experts. They have over 3.4 million assignments, and they have paid over $100 million. So this is a website where it's legit, and you're actually guaranteed to get a job and do some work training AI. So you just get paid training cutting edge AI on your own schedule. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can apply on these jobs. They have a lot of opportunities depending on different countries in the world, but they don't offer these opportunities in some countries where you can see. I'll show you how you can see if it's available in your country, but just let me show you and I'll help you whenever you'll need any help. Okay, so you can see your work is just to share your expertise and get paid working where and when you want. So let's jump right into the job. So you just go and search on outlier.ai, and you can see there's a part where you can view opportunities, or you can just scroll down here and you can see they have opportunities. Here's for generalist, and here's for maths, chemistry, law, history, coding, and data science. And they have 30 plus other expert domains. So if, let's say, you are looking for a particular subject, let's say an example, maths, you can click on that, and then it will take you directly to where you will see the available opportunities or the available job roles. So you can see they have a different type of jobs or different type of roles. So for this one, it's for languages only, and you can see on this part you can select the location where you want to apply from. This for global, or you can look for any type of country. You can see it's available here. So you if you want to come and see if your country is available on Outlier, you just come to this part on location, or you can click on search your country and check if it's available. Okay, so if you are not your country is not available, I'll just show you how you can maneuver that and start trying your luck and see how you can get an opportunity to make these dollars. So let's jump right into it. So I'm gonna search on the US, United States, and it will bring all the available roles for the US. You can see here is for the specialist, and if it's available on these countries: the US, Canada, UK, Australia, and New Zealand. Only that job is available on these countries. All right, and this is for math. Remember, we choose on the subject for math. So what you'll do, if you want to apply for this job, you just click on it, and then it will take you to where you can see the job roles, about the opportunity, and what you need to know before you apply the job. Okay, so first of all, just scroll down and check out here. So they'll tell you what to expect when you apply. So the first thing you do is fill in your application and create account, and then the next part is verify your identity and phone number, and then pass a skill assessment or interview, and then lastly you start working and earning. So it's just that simple. It's not a hard thing to do. And let me show you first of all what you need to do before you continue. So you'll need to have a resume. You need to create a resume for this particular job. The job is about accounting and tax expertise sought for AI training. So basically, Outlier, they're offering jobs for training AI in all the subjects. If it's law, if it's English, any subject, they are just for training AI. So you need to take this opportunity. You can see, and about the opportunity, Outlier is looking for talented accounting and tax expert to help train generative artificial intelligence models. So that's your work to do. You can see about the opportunity, and you may contribute your expertise by assessing. So what you need to do when you're creating your resume, make sure your skills it's on accounting and tax. Okay, so that's the what and they need a bachelor or higher degree for this particular job. So you see, you need to have those skills and those requirements on your resume. So for this particular job, they are paying $20 to $40 per hour, and if you're applying for the US, they are paying more for the US countries or the Tier 1 countries. So they're paying through PayPal. And first of all, I'll make a resume for this particular job and I'll upload it on my Telegram channel. You can go and access it for free and then check it out how you can edit the resume and start applying immediately. So, and if you're not from these countries, you can actually use a proxy, or if you have a cousin or a relative from these countries, you can tell him or her to actually open an account for you and start working on this. So for the CV, the resume part, I'll upload on the Telegram channel. You can go and take or download the PDF file and then edit it. So once you are ready, just come and click on apply, and then what you're going to do is just scroll on this button, the review, the terms and conditions. You just come and scroll, it will check the box and then check this box again and check this one also. So for this part, you're just going to submit and sign up with Google. So after you sign up with Google, it will take you to the onboarding process. Okay, so let me just direct you on how you can do everything by yourself. So you can see the account is already created. You can actually log in now. Next time you need to come and complete the other verification part. All right, so this one you just so you'll come and list your first name and last name, date of birth, country, the address line 1, city, state and the zip code, and then the phone number, and then you click on agree and then continue. And then the next part, you're just going to do the identity verification, where you're going to either verify the DL or ID, and if you have those two, you can use it. And after that, after you've completed the verification part, you're going to upload the resume, and then after that you just join immediately. Okay, so if you need anything about it, or if you need any help, you can reach out to me on my Telegram channel, and I can assist you on anything. So basically you just have to follow this process and complete the account verification, verify the phone number and the details that you input here, and then do the identification, the identity verification part, and then upload the resume and complete the experience and assessment. Then you can join the community. Okay, so I'll see you on the next part. But if you need anything if you need any help, you can actually reach out to me through my Telegram channel, and I can assist you on anything you need to know. And so that's how you actually apply on Outlier and get started immediately and start earning from tomorrow or today. So I'll upload the resume to my Telegram channel and go try your luck, and I'll see you next time.